want to present material about strategic leadership. What is strategic leadership? Simple put, strategy leadership is a combination of skills, perspective, behavior, and foresight of a leader. This term is also interpreted as a balance between art and science. Strategic leaders are able to realize goals and produce good results for the organization. In addition, strategic leaders are able to combine planning with management. The organization respects their roles and views while making the vision a reality. Management mindset and productivity play a big role, namely the way leaders think is the same as the way they work. Then, a strategic mindset reflects strategic intelligence, the ability to see the big picture relating to the present and future. What are characteristics of strategic leadership? There are various characteristics inherent in strategic leader. First, be honest. In many cases, strategic leadership usually begins with honesty. Being candid about your success, failures, and reason for choosing certain strategies and goals with others will make your team respect you. Organizations that follow the motto and honesty is the best policy will generate trust among them. Next, diplomacy. Honesty is the best rule, but strategic leadership sometimes requires tact. Therefore, you need to learn diplomacy skills. This ability helps leaders to manage conflict using sensitivity and diplomacy. Next, empathy. An empathic attitude doesn't just make you a confident. In the organization, empathy shows that a leader understands the team problems. You must be able to put yourself in the shoes of a team member and see things from their point of view. Next, be humble. One of the, one of the most respected qualities of strategic leadership is humility. Humble leaders admit mistakes, apologize when needed, and always share appreciation. This behavior makes you more human and closer to the team. Besides, being humble will not make a leader appear arrogant. Next, collaboration. Naturally, having a collaborative approach, the leadership creates transparency in an organization. If you are always connected to your team and genuinely interested in working with them, the team will understand their leader's mindset and vice versa. Next, strong communication. Without a doubt, a skilled communicator, a skilled communicator is the most important trait of a strategic leader. You may have a vision that is clearly imagined in your mind. However, if you cannot explain the vision to your team or colleagues, it will be difficult to to make it a reality. The ability to provide an overview of the leader's desires to the team can you with them. Next, good listening skills. Don't just focus on yourself. Strategic leaders also need to listen to what the team wants to convey. Speaking and listening are two sides of a coin. The best leaders must be able to do both. Next, passion and commitment. The enthusiasm for the mission or project you are working on shows dedication and can make other people enthusiastic. However, additional commitment is needed to improve the quality of strategic leadership because enthusiasm does not always get the job done. Next, positive. Did you know that a positive attitude is contagious? Teams that are surrounded by positive, happy people tend to work harder and enjoy their activities more. And the last, innovation. A strategic leader not only needs practice and realism, but also needs a view of innovation and a vision to execute it. In other words, don't get too used to your comfort zone. Innovation will give you an advantage in terms of competition.